everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in another challenge. This one is the Flippin Friday that is hosted by Board or Bananas and it's about flipping something. Board or Bananas has a lot of different videos and I just discovered her channel through a YouTuber friend of mine, and I'm really pleased with it because there is such a variety of things there. So please visit her channel. It's really worth it, and I will leave the link in the description box, as well as the link, as usual, to the playlist that will include all the videos participating in this challenge. As I hope you already know, my daughter and I are dumpster divers, so we find a lot of treasures in the dumpsters. Our channel is Dumster Chicks. The link is going to be in the description box along with all the other links, so please pay a visit. You will have a lot of fun looking at the things we find. And one of the things we found at I think it's Bath and Body Works, yes, are these cans, these tins. We found a lot of them with the full content, all the makeup products inside, and a lot of them that are empty. They only have this piece that holds the products. So I'm going to use, this is easily removable. I'm going to use these tins. You know, this is graduation time, and I'm going to give cookies to some class of 2020 graduates I know. So I am going to use these tins to place the cookies. I found out that this thing that is written here is a sticker, because I thought I should paint it. What I'm going to do, because I don't want to give this to someone with all this thing written, but it's a sticker. So this is awesome because I can remove the sticker. As you see, it's really easy to remove, and I have a clean tin to use as a container for the cookies. Then, using some chalkboard paper, contact paper, first of all I went over the can with a pencil to mark the border. I transferred it to the paper, and then I cut the piece that is going to be here, like so. And then I printed out also what I wanted to write in the center, as you can see, congrats. And then using transfer paper, ta-da! I transfer it to the chalkboard contact paper. I have white transfer paper, which is awesome. And once it was done, I used my white chalk marker. I love this brand. And I went all over the sign that I transferred. I added the stars and the class of 2020 that was not in the original, and I went around the border with a white marker. This is mainly all what I did to this can. Now I have to bake the cookies. So this is what I have for you today. But I want to give you a tip before finishing this video. As you can see here, this is the first piece I cut. I went around the border with a white marker before cutting the paper and adhering to the lid of the can. And it ended up being short. So when I adhere it to the border, to the top of to the lid, let's say. I found out that I had gaps here, as you can see. So what I did next for this one is I cut the paper and adhere it to this part, and then, only then, I went over with the white marker, because again, even though I cut it a little bit longer than the other one, I had gaps. But with the white marker, they were covered. So now they look perfect. So this is a tip. It's something that I learned after a fail. And so, well, this is it for this flipping, and I hope you liked it, and if so, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to Board or Bananas for this challenge. I hope I will participate every month from now on. I really like it. And thank you to all of you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. And as usual, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.